Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make these soft flour tortillas at home. Let's get started. First, I'm just adding some flour and salt to a bowl, then mixing these two dry ingredients together. Next, I'm adding in most of the oil and just leaving a little bit in the cup, mixing that in. Now I'm gradually adding in boiling hot water. Add the water as needed. You may find that your dough forms sooner and you may not need to use all the water. During mixing, the dough will cool down a bit and you can use your hand to knead the dough, like I am over here. Form a nice ball and then add the remaining oil over the ball so it stays soft while it sets. Now my dough has set and I've taken it out and rolled it to make it easier to cut it into sections. I'm cutting it into 5 pieces because I want big tortillas. If you want small or medium-sized tortillas, you can make more of these. Now I'm rolling these pieces into balls. Now I'm generously dusting the dough ball with flour, making sure it's coated from each side. Now I'm just patting it down with my hand and rolling it out with a pin. If you gently push on the edges of the circle, the dough ball will start to rotate and flatten. Of course, it's okay if this is not a perfect circle. Just make sure that you try to get it as even as possible. Okay, now I'm placing it on a hot pan. Flame is medium-high. As soon as I see a change in color and these bubbles start to appear, I'm going to flip it. When it starts to puff up, I'm going to flip it. And when it starts to puff up again, I'll take it off the heat. Here's another one. So see bubbles, flip, starts to puff, flip again, puff again, take off the heat. And the tortillas are ready. Of course you can get store-bought tortillas, but these tortillas are really soft and much nicer. There's something about fresh tortillas that I feel is so much better than store-bought tortillas. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.